Hello, this is a quick update for Africa on the weather. So it will be very short, but let's take a look. Starting with rainfall, let's see the rainfall first. Let's first see West Africa. We still have a few showers in a spot or two there, Central West Africa. Nothing crazy, but we'll have a surge of moisture into the Cabo Verde for a few more showers throughout Tuesday, especially like Wednesday in the south of the Cabo Verde, more showers, a little bit into Mauritania, Senegal Thursday, and then still shows Friday a storm or two in the southern Cabo Verde, Thursday, Friday, and then this goes, but still a few showers. And then still by December 7th, spots Mauritania shows a shower too. So be aware. The total accumulations here should be around, like even show some 50 millimeters, 60 in the Cabo Verde, 60 millimeters, a few areas close to 70. So be aware in those islands there. And shows in Mauritania some showers in Senegal, a little bit especially closer to the coast, and shows some shower spots. Central West Africa, especially Sierra Leone, southern Liberia, spots in Ivory Coast, southern Nigeria, a few showers. So be aware. Now in the north does show like some Mediterranean systems with some rain, especially in Algeria and Libya. The European does show a storm or two Tuesday, central Algeria into Libya. So be careful. Those showers into Libya Wednesday shows this front from Europe by Wednesday. More rain, northern Algeria there, some snow as well, and some thunderstorms into Tunisia. Thursday, down to Libya again in the Eastern Mediterranean. Friday, still some showers in the Mediterranean until early next week. So be aware. Still showing like spots extreme northern Libya and Tunisia, close to 100 millimeters, some extreme northern areas, and like spots there central Algeria into Libya, those showers tomorrow, and there across northern Morocco, a shower too. So be careful. And now for spots of Central Africa, does show some normal tropical showers and storms, not too heavy, but plenty of them, and occasionally some heavier ones. Democratic Republic of Congo, Gabon, spots in Mozambique, especially those like summer thunderstorms, stronger showers. So be careful in the afternoons and everything, and stay safe. Next 5 days shows accumulation like 70 meters, Gabon close to 100. If you see red on the map, it means it's 100 or more. So orange is already kind of dangerous. So be careful. Democratic Republic of Congo, spots in Angola, most of central northern Angola, and spots there, especially Mozambique and Madagascar are more concerned with some 117 millimeters, even to 124 spots southern central Mozambique. So be careful, some stronger occasional storms there. The GFS is just around 92 millimeters, it doesn't have much, and the icons around Samé is 6 to 100 near the coast. So be careful in Mozambique. Now into Madagascar, show like even like 162 millimeters central eastern Madagascar, especially near the east coast. Next 5 days, spots like central northern Madagascar, a few showers, a shower or two there into the Comoros. So stay safe from flooding because the GFS is also more than 100 in Madagascar, and the icon is even to like close to 200. So stay safe from flooding there. Be careful with lightning and strong thunderstorms in Madagascar, and a shower to there in Mauritius and Reunion, even like 60 millimeters maximum, and more showers there near Port Maturin, Seabreeze Village, the Indian Ocean, some showers and storms, and a few showers there in the Seychelles. So be careful now, Southern Africa. A storm or two north and South Africa, Botswana, the remnants of this front by Tuesday, some showers there in East and South Africa and Lesotho, might have some hail and strong winds and heavy rain, so be careful. And then into southern Mozambique Wednesday, shows stronger, the GFS kind of, but not really. And then Wednesday, Thursday, a shower or two in South Africa still, and it calms down. But by Saturday, shows more in South Africa again, and to watch. But this changes all the time. Let's just keep watching. But basically, the eastern half of South Africa into Mozambique heavier. The west is dry, but a few ones in the south are shower two, and like northern Namibia, shower two as well. The storm are two in Botswana. So be careful. And next 10 days does increase across spots in eastern South Africa. Not too much, but does increase. And central southern Africa until December 12th does increase, especially in Mozambique, Gabon, spots in Zambia, and Madagascar, the more tropical areas. So be aware with the storms and still watching. Tanzania is incredibly dry still, but some showers on the east coast and Kenya, a finger or two. But the pattern right now is not showing much there. That later in December it might increase because there's like this corridor of heavy rain going from the Atlantic, goes southeast through Central Africa into Madagascar. So like mainly this region that's getting more rain. So be careful in those areas. Now let's see if there's any snow. In the south it's too hot, but it does show like something minuscule in Lesotho in the mountains. I wasn't expecting this, but show like 1.9 centimeters on the European. The GFS nothing, the icon nothing. So the European is the only one that like hallucinates. But just keep watching. This might be like a possible possibility, but I wouldn't count on that. The real snowy place here is Northern Africa because of the cold temperatures in those fronts in Morocco. Next 5 days, the European shows some 7 centimeters, spots northern Algeria some 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, spots northern Libya show like less than a centimeter. The GFS, nothing in Libya, but does have in Algeria some 4 centimeters, Morocco 0.4. The icon has a spot or two in Algeria, there into Morocco, so there's some snow possible there as well. Be aware. And those temperatures are still colder in northern Africa, some active temperatures in Morocco, and especially like the Atlas Mountains in northern Algeria, Morocco and Algeria. So be aware, spots most of northern Africa quite cooler, some chillier. In the south, the nights there in Lesotho are around 15 to 12 degrees, nothing too crazy. And those tropical nights are still very hot in central areas. So this goes during the day, still shows above average temperatures most of Central Africa north of the equator. This is kind of unusual, but it's still happening. So like 38 degrees, 39, close to South Sudan, spots in Sudan close to 40 degrees. So stay safe from the heat. Namibia some 37, spots in Madagascar more than 36. So be careful and be careful the heat indices because it might feel hotter and stay safe. So shows in Kenya as well, spots some 30 degrees, even 37, southern Somalia, northern South Africa. Be careful some fire danger if it's dry as well. And then during the night, it does drop down in Algeria, Morocco again. Wednesday shows Thursday, there northern Algeria, the early morning, sun active temperatures to -1, -3, Morocco in the mountains, -4. So be aware in the southern highlands, some 6, 7 degrees in the night. There in Ethiopia shows some 8 degrees in the highlands. And then Thursday, in the afternoon, still close to 4 degrees in Sudan, South Sudan, in Chad, and those low elevations in South Africa, Namibia, 41 degrees, even 42 degrees locally. So stay safe from the heat, some 29 degrees in Cape Town, but so close to 4 degrees in other areas. So stay safe. Spots in Namibia, close to 40. There are spots in northern Mozambique, higher in those areas. So Thursday, Friday. Friday morning does get some colder wind chills as far south as southern Algeria, some 0 degrees Celsius, some -1 Morocco. So be careful there, but still hot during the day. And then Friday afternoon, still South Africa, Namibia, close to 40 degrees. So stay safe. Friday, Saturday, still shows Saturday morning there in the north, slightly cooler especially at nights, some single digits, and then Saturday afternoon, does show Sudan there, close to 4 degrees, those areas. Later in the afternoon, this area of the Sahel, it's 37 to 29 degrees. So stay safe in spots in southwestern Africa too. So Saturday, Sunday, still colder there in the north, and this keeps changing there. So stay safe and warn others. Those temperatures, the wind is nothing too windy except for the strong thunderstorms, the strong wind. But there's show some strong winds southern Namibia tomorrow, Tuesday, so be careful. Some higher gusts. The icon is also showing it, the GFS, and spots, or some isolated spots there in northern Chad, spots near the Atlantic as well. So Wednesday shows like the Canary Islands, northern Algeria, some zones slightly windier. Thursday, the northern coast, the Mediterranean there, some strongest northern Algeria on the coast. And then Thursday, Friday, the European does want to blast some strong winds, most in northern Algeria, Tunisia, and spots there by Friday. So be aware. And this strait right between Yemen and Eritrea, some strong gusts. Friday and then Saturday in Libya still shows a couple spots in Niger, Chad, so be aware. And it does show Sunday as well, slightly gustier spots in South Africa, there, Namibia, some breezier conditions, but nothing too crazy. So with that, be careful the fire danger and everything, and still watching some rain there in the Red Sea spots there in the Middle East. These areas usually very dry, but does show a storm or two, so be aware as well later next weekend, and stay safe.